Welcome to our guide to integrating Xobin with TurboHire. In this video, we'll guide you through obtaining and using your Xobin API key for the TurboHire integration. Let's get started. First, log in to your Xobin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Settings. Then, navigate to the Integrations tab at the top right section. Scroll through the list of integrations and select TurboHire. Next, click on the Contact Support button. This will open a chat window in the bottom right corner of your screen. Our support team will then provide you with your API key. Copy the received key. Or, if you already see an API key within the TurboHire section, simply copy it and proceed with the integration. To track your API call consumption, navigate to the API Logs menu. Here, you'll find detailed insights into your API usage. Then, go to your TurboHire account, navigate to Settings, click on Advanced Settings, and then go to the Integrations section. Search for Xobin under the Assessment Providers tab and click on the Actions drop-down menu. Click on Install, paste the copied API key in the input field. Once API key is pasted, click on the Save button, and you are done. Your Xobin account is now integrated with TurboHire. With this integration, you can unlock your candidate's true potential by seamlessly sending assessments to evaluate their hidden behaviors, emotional intelligence, and key competencies. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any doubts, comment down below, and please like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our latest videos.